Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions, where this is a 2017 Ford Transit van, and I'm going to be showing you where the fuse boxes and OBD2 diagnostics port are. So first off, we will start with the OBD2 diagnostics port, which is just down in the driver's footwell at the right hand side of the car in this instance, and there's just this little tab here. So give that a pull and that exposes our OBD2 diagnostics port. Now, not too far from here is actually the cabin fuse box, so we're just going to go ahead and pull on this compartment like so, which exposes our cabin fuses. I will now put up a fuse diagram. And for the engine bay fuse box, we're going to obviously come around to the engine bay. And I've already got it open, but for those of you who don't know how to do it, you just use your key, pop it in there, turn it to the left, then turn it to the right, and that will open this up, and then we put this bonnet stay in that hole there. So looking in the engine bay, we're just going to go over the right hand side, and you see this box here. That is actually our engine bay fuse box. I will now put up a fuse diagram. And there we go. That's our fuse box locations and OBD2 port on a 2017 Ford Transit van. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.